Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. It's your lady JJ. I don't come again with another hot topic, and this one just land for my table and I need to address them. You know, as we do am now, we're going to mix some with English and Pidgin so that everybody go understand. You know, say we will be immigrants now. We'll get opportunity, but the ones who come from with water, but the ones who come from up will get the opportunity to land for Deutschland. We don't know what God do for us. If you look back, say you see as you take on where you from come, you go understand. Say yes, now opportunity for you to get another good life. Now opportunity for you to rebrand yourself and make good life out of your life. Some people come this Deutschland, they spend 3 to 4 years, they never ever go Dutch course, they never learn the basic. Some people say they just stay anyhow, they no one work, they just stay. It don't come to my table say we Naija, they misbehave. Some people now their own be say they go they fight everywhere. Police go they copy their advice. Some na domestic violence. Partners go they fight, they go they call police for each other. It no good though. Make we try integrate in a positive way. As Deutschland they go so now to integrate so. Make pikin, make children know all you to learn the language. If na hospital you want do, after to learn the basic, may you try do the hospital. If you say you no fit do hospital, may you go work. No be only to dey chop the money now, because for future reason. You know, say we sabi dey talk one word. Na racist they be. Na racist they be. What do you they call racist? I don't understand. I don't understand. No, they look my makeup. They hear my word. I don't understand. What do you they call racist? You come on another person's land. You integrate on not for another person's land where they get laws, where they get rules and regulation. Instead, may you follow up for the law. If they correct you, you go say, no mind, na racist. Now you the racist yourself now. Because where you from, they come from, no law cover you. They get law then, na just corruption, I make you no understand. For yeah, they have principle. Not so they fight. Any small thing you don't they fight. And then I can't notice, say, we no sabi talk small if we ever they explain. It go be like, say, with the quarrel. Before you know, police don't copy your advice. Now, better thing. I pity for now. You get some people who get opportunity to get this document. Some don't even know what it be the meaning of documents. If you stain your document, if you be say police, they copy your advice all the time. My dear, it go red for you for renew. It go red for you for renew because everything they system. They go catch you for muta. You know they buy ticket, enter train or bus. You go they fight everywhere. They go catch you for domestic violence. That one another topic for another day. I just they cut some small. You go there rude. At least I don't first live that life. Say I stay for camp. But people when know me go no say yes, I really avoid all those kind of trouble. It gets some people where they are calling not to push you to do bad, not to push you to fight, not to push you to attack. But you where you integrate, where you come Deutschland, you suppose know what make you come now. You suppose get sense. You suppose get sense. Say na better life, na make me call. No condition is permanent. At that time when you get into that depress, you go coordinate yourself, you go integrate. I remember when not the period where I take go school, now the period where I take carry belle for my 2 kids. The period where I take learn the language. People who know me know say yes, I the speaker. Now the period what they born. Waiting go stop you. Say you no go integrate. Say you no go learn the language. Now belle you get her for leg. Belle na leg. Now you get her. You no fit use your leg go school just for 3 hours. Learn the language. Come back. Then you go relax. No be leg person they get belle. So you no affect your leg to waka. No be mouth. No be hand. So it no affect you to learn the language. Some people say they go even do this Deutschland there. This Deutschland, they appreciate children, they appreciate mother. They go, they pay you and the mama. They go even they beg you. Say, okay, oh, appointment for your children. You no go fit follow up. Now social or kinder arts, children doctor, now go they remind you of your appointments. You go they forget children appointment for hospital, for checkup, just checkup. You they forget children appointments. As a mother, I say it's supposed to be, and this thing are free, na insurance they pay. You forget to carry your pikin go appointments. Even your own appointment, you they forget. But when it reach time to collect money, you know they forget. You be thief. You be thief. If you know say you be woman, you don't come this Deutschland. You know say my topic na story of motherhood. And they talk about women because you know concern. Now if he clash enter men's side, now go talk. But for now, I did for woman's side. Because now it consign me. Because I be mother. Because I be woman. If you know say you don't they born. You don't they get children for this Deutschland. Many responsibility there where you go follow. No forget say appointment day. Some people, they go send the letter. They go abandon her for us. They go forget to say, okay, make I go give even social. Make it read that for me. Make it translate that. Make I know what they talk about. It not concern you. But if not time to collect money, you go remember the dates. If not time to say, okay, Ocaritas, they share clothes. You go run, go queue, okrika. Benda select, you go pack clothes. Put for body, pack benda select, put for your children. And they pay these children okrika. Now you take the okrika. They use their money. I they watch you. I they watch you. I they watch you with 3D. You they use their money now. You they wear them okrika. Not be so. Make we stop all this nonsense. And they see some mothers, they shame they catch me. If they quarrel, they fight, they do it for front of their children. They go fight, eh? Oh God, some of their children said, don't they behave like them. It's not supposed to be so. May we stop our way. Now Europe, now we did. Now Deutschland we did. May we try integrate. May we try even copy them small, even if we know they're perfect. They get laws we cover this country. They get laws we cover this country. You go carry your pikin go kindergarten. You go carry your pikin go kindergarten. You carry your pikin go school. Teachers go they complain about your pikin character. They go complain to you as a mother. You go say, hey, now racist they be. They're racist. Shut up there. Now you be racist to yourself. They try make you coordinate yourself, make you arrange yourself so that life go better for you. You they say that they're racist. For money where they give you, they're not racist. For food where they give you, they're racist. For accommodation where they give you, they're racist. Now when you reach to correct you, say see as your pikin they behave. Now they're racist. So shall go talk to you, you go say na racist. Midwife go come check your pikin for house, make it correct you, say see. You go say na racist. Our people with the quick they talk racist and they think they vex me. Who they racist? Who they racist you? Now you they racist yourself. May we try integrate. May we try contribute to the society. Some their children go don't pass 3 years. They no go ever say okay, may they go work 4 hours work. You go fit if the pikin get place for kindergarten, you go fit work 4 hours work. You go sit down for house, you they use 2 hand and leg till they chop money. No be forever, oh. Very soon you go pay back, oh. Very soon all those money you go work and you pay their tax. You understand what I tell una so? Very soon. Make we stop to the insult ourselves. You go to say you they embarrass the person where you they make trouble with, or you they embarrass the person where be say they try to make your life good, like the social. All those one are their work that they do. They are undercovered. They are more than FBI. So to be very, very careful. Whatever you do, that is the report they will give. So don't be stupid. If they call you for school, say how you're picking, they behave, correct the ways. In fact, make them help you to change. Like my last topic where I talk, your reflection, your child reflection, your children reflection is you. Nobody they racist you. You dare Europe, you dare Deutschland. I say Deutschland, and Deutschland concern me, because here they stay. You need to abide to the laws. Laws they this country. They know they fight. They know they fight. They know they fight. Say, you go they happy. Hey, I get documents, so you won't use your hand to spoil your documents. Go document where you supposed to build. Where you supposed to build. After 3 years, they'll give you 5 years. After 5 years, you'll go apply for German passport. You go use your hand to spoil them. Instead, they increase the years, though they reduce them. It's not our portion. God no go let that happen to us. Make una say amen. So I beg, may we stop all this nonsense and may we change our ways. May we change our ways. Make we follow the law. May you they buy tickets, they enter bus or train. May you no collect traffic. They pay you. Shut up, they pay you. May we they go termine appointment where they give you, appointment where they give your children, they meet up. If you don't get chance, maybe you clash with another appointment, you'll choose the one where they important, you'll call. Some people said if they not see social, if they not see somebody, they no fit, no waiting to do with letter, they no fit, they must wait. And maybe social no day, it go expire for their hand. That is why we they talk. That is why they always they talk for my platform. Say you must learn the language. Basic. Whether you like it or not, you must learn that language. If you don't learn it now, you go learn it later. You go learn it later and you go use your money to pay. I remain your lady JJ. I will see you with another hot topic. Bye.